Haiku York, and I help people raise their vibration. Today I want to talk to you about how to communicate with nature. We have trouble communicating a lot in society with other people, and I believe this stems from a fundamental misunderstanding of how the communication comes from nature, how nature communicates, and how we receive its messages. When we receive the messages from nature, this is when we open ourselves up to more opportunity, to we really start to see the reasoning behind what people do and what we do to ourselves. When we open ourselves up to this communication, we are available to really grasp why we are here, what we are doing, and we learn our obstacles, we learn what makes us amazing, we learn our perks and our flaws, and we learn everything about us through nature. As we come out and we live in nature more, and we start to live off the land, we realize we don't need many of the so-called luxuries that we become dependent on in society. When we are dependent on this, we don't have access to all of this amazing stuff. We cut ourselves off from the possibility of being able to reach out and really take hold and grasp all this beauty that's around us. So I just want to put that out there for communication with nature. It just takes step one, go out to nature. Just go out. You don't know what it's going to feel like until you're there. Go to new spots all the time. New places in nature are like new people. When you meet new people, you learn all these different things that were already there inside yourself. When you go out to a new spot of nature, you learn all these new perspectives that you had no idea about until you went out to the place in nature. So, go out to nature, number one. Number two, come out and breathe and hit the pause button on your life for a little bit and enjoy. Because without enjoyment, we will not be able to fully communicate with anything or anyone. Pausing and listening. Just do it. Do it with us. Take a deep breath in with the ocean. Ha! Take a breath and take a moment of your time to pause and slow down and to not take life so seriously. When you're taking life very seriously, it's just like holding you back. It's like a little barrier that you don't even realize. Seriousness does not lead to more productivity. Enjoyment, smiling, laughing, being carefree, and not seeing the bad stuff in life, but seeing the good. When you're focused on the good, you see more of it. It's like if I told you to only look for stuff that's green. You look around, look for everything that's green around you right now. And close your eyes, and then tell me, what did you see that was red? Probably a lot less stuff than you saw was green. But stuff that was green, it might not even have been green. It might have been a different shade that's a close resemblance to it, but you'll interpret that just so you can feel better about finding more green stuff. It's not that some ego trip that says, oh, I found more green stuff. It's that what we focus on grows. So come out to nature, come and enjoy, and come communicate with nature. The third thing is surrender yourself to the elements. Surrender to the elements and stop trying to conquer and force yourself and impose your will on the elements. We are raised to basically cut off all the ties with nature and to just see it as something like, oh, that's nature out there, and we're separate from that. We're so much a part of nature that is completely inseparable in our heart and in our DNA. It just goes together like you can't get to 2 without ever having a 1. You can't get to 0 without having numbers. And so nature and humans goes together. Trying to separate it is what causes these separations within us and within our communication patterns. So come on out to nature, come and enjoy, and come out with me. I hope to see you soon, and peace. By the way, we're out here in northern Washington for everyone out there. That's what it looks like. So beautiful. Perfect.